Hey everybody, it's Quail Mama out here in the aviary with the little birds. It's been a real nice day, a little bit overcast, but at times we had some real nice bright sunshine. And actually, well, it's showing to be about 55, maybe 56 degrees out here in the aviary. And everybody looks to be doing good. Right now I'm looking to see if I can see a little boy without a band. So I found a loose yellow band. There's Cheeky with her berry. She loves her blackberries. That's too cute. So far, I don't think I've seen a little boy without a band. So it might just be one that I had in reserve that got knocked off when they flew around. Blackberries are a big hit around here. Wow, that one just got ripped off 3 different times. It's too funny. Gotta get them quick. Okay. I don't see a little boy without a band, so that must just have been an extra one that got loose from me. We visited Poppy over here. He's got fresh food and water. He got a berry and apple and lettuce along with his fresh seeds. Looks like Cheeky just got her berry ripped off. That little boy's got it now. High demand. Oh, maybe that little boy. Uh-oh, there's a little boy without a leg band. I'm gonna have to capture him here in a bit. Yep, I thought I put a yellow band on somebody, and he's walking around without one, so. Before we end the night, I'm gonna capture him and re-tag him. Somehow he got loose of it. Everybody else is wearing their bands, though. That's good. Oop, oh, almost dropped the phone. I don't know what happened there. The little boy you hear calling behind me is back in Seven's old pen. He's got a purple band on. He used to be over here in the white hutch with Poppy, but when the sun was shining pretty good for a couple days, he started to get beat up, so had to separate him out. And he wants back in with the group. Doesn't like his solitary confinement, so at some point here soon, probably separate out one of the younger little girls to go be a companion for him. I think this little girl that likes to be on high over here is actually Missy. A little boy is talking up a storm. May May, you got plenty of good food to eat. Quit eating the fake flowers. Silly birds. Quit doing that. Silly birds. There's Dottie. I was wondering where she was at. Quit it. Silly birds. They are too cute, and actually they're very easy upkeep. Take all kinds of climates. They get partial sunshine here. So in the summer they're not in full direct heat, and in the winter they have the canopy of the tree. Also have we got a baby cat coming down to visit. I've got a tarp over the aviary, so it keeps some heat in. They did real well this winter. Probably better than their first winter. Of course, they were pretty young their first winter. Yep, just gotta keep fresh water and greens and seeds. Got some showbird pellets that have a little more protein, and they're actually eating those. It's a smaller crumble. It's easier for them to eat than the actual pellets. So I think they're doing well there with the protein. As spring comes along, I'll probably be adding some crushed eggshell for calcium supplement for the girls. Quit it, May May. These silly birds. As I was saying, they're pretty easy upkeep and they're so cute and they're really good layers. Uh-oh, a little measuring contest with the boys. Looking forward to doing some more pickled eggs this summer. That'll be good. Maybe we'll do it in the kitchen video when we get to pickling eggs. I think that would be interesting. Quit it. Oh gosh, I bonked her and she didn't even flinch. Guess I probably shouldn't do that, but I don't want them eating the fake flowers. They'll get sick. It's just for decoration, guys. You guys got good food to eat. Silly critters. And yes, we still got BB Cat up here watching us. She's a prolific bird watcher, of course. I think George is in having some dinner. And we got to see Fritzy Cat today. It's the first time in months. Haven't seen him all winter. Okay, everybody. Thanks so much for watching. I sure appreciate every second you spend with us. If you like our content and you haven't done it already, please remember to like and subscribe. Sure helps the channel out. And please, by all means, leave us a question or a comment. If I don't have an answer, I'll find one for you and try to address it in a video a little later. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great evening.